Alright, so we got a coin bonus on Buffalo Link here. Hopefully it's not one of the really crappy coin bonuses. Need some points or something. Come on. Wow. Not looking good. Coin. There we go. That'll help. Come on, Buffaloes. That'll work. Need a couple more wilds here. Oh, up to almost $20. I've had way worse. Come on. Coin me. Oh, those coins that have flashed by. Oh, triple noise. It's landed, come on. Last spin. Well, I've had way worse. $19.24. Alright, so I got a hold and spin bonus on Buffalo Link. See if we can win any more. 2 cent denomination. This is a $40 mini. Sorry for the weird blue glare on the middle of the screen. The major's sitting at 686. Grand is 10,900. Come on. All right, let's see what we got here. Be pretty decent with a $40 mini. $76. All right, we'll take that. Christine got her some coins, put in her pocket. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Still here at Buffalo Link. Betting $4 a bet. Got 2 minis for $40 a piece. Still hunting that major. $688 now. Fill it up, come on. Take another mini. Those are worth $8 a piece. 400 ones. Last spin, come on. All right, add them up. Another great bonus. $176. Sweet. Christine's got her coins again. Alright, we'll see if we get another bonus. Thanks for watching. Alright, I got the free feature on Buffalo Link, so let's see what I get here. So we're gonna hold and spin. Drop something good in there. It can give the free feature again. Are they all in there? No, that one's empty up there. That's a $400 ball. And they're all live. They are in there. That one was empty that time. Yeah, we got a dry hole now. They were all in there a while ago. The free feature paid off. It doesn't always. I've got a free feature once for 50 cents. There we go, keep going. Give me another one of these. Got the noise changer, come on. Last spin, come on, give me that minor. All right, nice. Got the trumpets. There it is. Cha-ching. $442. This team definitely got some of those coins. All right, everybody, thanks for watching.